Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question of the day related to method of integration by substitution. Today I am going to simplify a more complicated function related to the method of integration by substitution. If we solve the given function x cube plus 1, the derivative of x cube plus 1 is present outside the radical sign. Therefore, first we suppose that u is equal to x cube plus 1. So we suppose that u is equal to x cube. Differentiate this function with respect to x to get du divided by dx equal to d by dx into x cube plus 1. So du divided by dx equal to applied derivative to each term d by dx into x cube plus d by dx into 1. So du divided by dx equal to derivative of x cube is 3 times x to the power 3 minus 1. Again differentiate d by dx with respect to x plus derivative of constant is 0. So du divided by dx equal to 3x square. This is equal to 1. So du divided by dx equal to 3x square. Shift dx to the right hand side, 3x square into dx, because we need x square into dx, and then divided by 3 cancel. So du divided by 3 is equal to x square into dx. So integration, we can also write this in the form of square root x cube plus 1 into x square dx. So put the value of integration x cube plus 1 equal to u, so u square root, and x square times dx is equal to du divided by 3. Du divided by 3. So we can write this in the form of 1/3 integration u to the power 1/2 into du. This implies that integration u to the power 1/2 plus 1 divided by 1/2 plus 1 plus constant of integration c. This implies that 1/3 u to the power 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3 divided by 2 divided by 3 divided by 2 plus c. So this implies that we can also write this in the form of 1/3 multiplied by 2 by 3 into put the value of u is equal to x cube plus 1. Here x cube plus 1 to the power 3 by 2 plus c. This implies that 2 ones are 2 divided by 3 threes are 9 into x cube plus 1 to the power 3 by 2 plus c. So this method of integration is called integration by substitution. Thanks.